Icy cold scenes across the region. That's our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam. But hey, at least the sun is shining, right? Gotta always look at the bright side. But first alert weather days continue through Friday. We are talking Arctic cold and the potential for some snow and blowing snow starting tomorrow. So here's what you need to know. For tomorrow, we're going to see some snow, primarily in the Southern Valley. It's going to be so dry, so cold that it's going to be the light, fluffy type of snow that very quickly accumulates because there's so much air in it. We will likely see some impacts to the morning and evening commute with that snow. Wind then picks up late. Thursday, Arctic cold returns. It's going to be windy with blowing snow, gusts over 30 to 40 miles per hour, and ground blizzard potential. Then heading into Friday, Arctic cold continues, looking even windier with gusts over 40 miles per hour likely, again leading to ground blizzard potential. Ground blizzard, meaning that very little or no new snow is falling, but the wind is so strong it's blowing and whipping and drifting all the light fluffy snow that's on the ground, creating whiteout conditions and hazardous travel. Here's what you need to know for tonight. We are going to remain brutally cold, especially for the next few hours into the early evening. Then we have some saving grace in the terms of clouds. So we will have increasing clouds late tonight. We're still going to be frigidly cold, but not quite as cold as we were this morning or through much of the day so far. By tomorrow morning, some folks will be waking up to some snow in the Southern Valley, southern Minnesota, and in parts of western and central North Dakota. So some folks will be dealing with that snow for the morning commute. And again, very frigid temperatures, teens and 20s below zero. Snow continues through the day into the afternoon hours, and after the snow passes, look at the wind picking up through the day. That's going to be creating those blowing and drifting snow concerns and dangerous cold with very, very frigid wind chills as that wind picks up out of the north and west. As for snowfall potential with tomorrow's round of snow, this medium shade blue here, that's where we can expect around 2 to 6 inches. On that lower range of that here in Fargo is expected with more south and east. And then another band right through the heart of North Dakota, an additional 2 to 6 inches, but much more to the south and east. So if you're traveling, here's what you can expect regionally for snow potential by tomorrow night. We just took a look in the Central Valley here. Down in southern Minnesota, Minneapolis, if you're headed towards the Twin Cities, much loftier snowfall amounts. If you're headed west towards the Rockies, absurd snowfall amounts, very heavy snow, and swaths of heavier snow through the northern plains, impacting a lot of regional airports as well. By Thursday, no new snow here, but we are going to have wind, blowing snow, dangerous cold, and potentially dangerous travel with snow still piling on through portions of the Midwest, moving up into the Great Lakes, Michigan, and then up into Canada. By Friday, snow continues to lift north, mostly into Canada, still impacting the Great Lakes, Michigan, and in our neck of the woods, still cold with blowing snow and those potential ground blizzard conditions. Looking like a long week ahead of us. Right now in Fargo, we're 16 degrees below zero, feels like 38 below, with wind out of the west at 13 miles per hour. Sun is shining bright, so don't forget the sunglasses for your evening commute. 17 degrees below zero right now in Grand Forks, feels like 38 below, wind out of the west at 12 miles per hour. It is frigid north and west, 20 below right now. Air temperature in Devil's Lake, 22 below in Langdon, one of the warmest spots. 5 below in Baudette, 5 below as well in Sisseton, 3 below in Aberdeen. Factor in that wind right now, feels like 49 below zero in Langdon, feeling like 45 below in Devil's Lake. We're going to stay cold tonight. By tomorrow morning, teens and 20s below is again looking likely with those frigid wind chills, and in the afternoon, snow, wind, and still very frigid. Here's a look at your 7-day planner. First alert weather days continue through Friday. Zero visibility is looking increasingly likely with those potential ground blizzard conditions from wind and blowing snow Thursday and into Friday. Then the good news, we warm up as we head into the Christmas holiday. Warm front Sunday could bring about a chance for some snow as well. Lots to go over, lots to look out for. Be sure to check your Valley News Live weather app.
It just really is nice knowing and looking at that 7-day negatives, 9, 10, 17.
Some relief.
I might have to wear shorts on that day for a 17 compared to what we got
Right.
just this week. Summer, thank you so much.